In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on web search function in ChatGPT. So there are two ways you can turn on the web search function. The first and the easiest way to turn on the web search function is to tap it here when you are asking a question. So for instance, you want ChatGPT to tell you the weather today. It may want to go ahead and look for the latest information in the interweb and give you the best response. For instance, what is the weather today? And this will make ChatGPT to go on and tell you the weather today according to your region. As you can see, it has searched for weather patterns and reports from around my country, and it is giving the weather information in Nairobi, Kenya, and this is quite great. Now that's how you turn on web search in ChatGPT. Now the second option, or the second method to turn on or to ensure that the search function is always turned on, is to go to your account here on the top right and then choose customize ChatGPT function, which is this. Once you tap on it, you will have a number of functions here, and one of them is web search. So when you turn this on, ChatGPT will automatically search the web to get the latest answers for you automatically. So that's how you turn on web search in ChatGPT. So once you have ticked on web search, go ahead and tap on save to keep your changes. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.